Okay, so today is my last day in Bali, and I was debating where to go. I pretty much visited everything there is to do here, but I have not done two things, which is go to a rice terrace that is not so touristy and it's in a more remote area. There's only rice terraces and it looks beautiful. Or maybe if I was feeling lazy, maybe if I wanted a more bougie experience, I could overlook a rice terrace from a pool and go to like a day club. So I was in between these two thoughts. I also was in between maybe I am going to a waterfall, but my clothes was in the laundromat. I didn't have a swimsuit, and honestly, I'm kind of scared of going to a waterfall by myself. So I was like, I don't know. So if you had these three options in mind, what would you do? And come to see what I did. Actually, it was a wild choice what I'm going to go do because allegedly it was going to be raining all day, but it hasn't been raining at all. And yesterday it was raining all day, so honestly I didn't even do anything. I was just chilling at the villa. So today I was like, oh, I want to do all these things today. I'm not sure if it's going to be possible, but it's been sunny all day, even though on the weather app it says it's raining. So hopefully it stays that way right now in the rice fields. Can we talk about how beautiful my hair is right now, air dried? And this is how it looks after the haircut that I got here in Ubud. That this is crazy. You can see how the clouds are rolling in. Okay, so considering the time, I have my Uber guy waiting here for me now. So, and considering that the clouds are looking like this, I think I'm going to do the 1 hour walk, 45 minutes to 1 hour. Right now it's 5 p.m., so I'm going to go see the sunset. And it looks like this little part of the track is the red track. I really like that there's like tracks. Oh, number 6, the World Heritage Site. Best Tourism Village Monument. Interesting. Hold on. Oh, and I'm here. Oh, wow. So I'm literally right there at the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Well, it is certainly extremely beautiful. He decidido buscar shelter por sentido de capilaridad. Mis pantalones ahora están mojados y por alguna razón hay unos babubus aquí conmigo, así que supongo que es buena señal porque mañana me voy a Tailandia. Así que bueno, pues mira, esta vista nadie la va a tener porque nadie va a querer mojarse como yo me he mojado. Me he sentido todo el tiempo como que estoy en un episodio de National Geographic y no me enoja. O sea, es una bonita forma de despedirme de Bali y no manches mi cámara y todo se está mojando. ¡Ah! ¿Saben lo agradecida que estoy con haber tomado la decisión de, sabes que el clima se ve horrible, pero confío y voy y exploro y conozco algo nuevo? Y es un lado de tal vez este lugar que nadie ha visto porque nadie se quiere mojar, nadie se quiere sentir incómodo, pues prefieren verlo obviamente con la hermosura del sol, pero es que todas sus facetas se ve hermoso. Realmente lo que hace que este lugar se mantenga vivo es la lluvia, ¿no? Es el agua. Es que bonito poder ser testigo de esto. llegado a otro mapita. Where am I now? Oh, I am here. O sea, caminé. I only walked so little and it was very hectic. So now I can go up there and look how beautiful this is. Wow. Okay. Ay, Dios santo. Okay. Wow, this is really something. I don't know if it's always this empty, if it's empty because it's raining. But here, it's extremely different vibe than Talayalang. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm definitely butchering it. But here it's just trekking. It's like walking. It's like amongst all this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful nature. I'm so happy that I came here. Just 360 views. It's crazy. Wow, okay. I can definitely see the clouds coming in. Wow, qué impresionante. No me imagino estar allá otra vez. Parece que era como si nada existiera ahí. Pero allá están todas las terrazas. Las nubes lo tapan completamente. The clouds are covering now all of the terraces. I'm at the end of the trail finally. But you can't even see the terraces anymore. It's crazy. Oh my god. Good thing I am all set. I'm not wearing my umbrella anymore. And I am quite sweaty. Okay, finally no umbrella. Sweaty, and I actually see my driver. He's right here waiting for me. So perfect, because it seems like it's gonna get intense here. I already know what I want here. I want the wood fire, pepperoni,